We just found a whole new space. Time to clean the toilet. Vacuum cleaner. Hello and welcome back to a new episode.
Welcome back! My name is Elin.
I'm Emilia and we have Fatset chilling over there somewhere.
Yeah. We nailed it.
Yes.
We got some feedback in the last episode.
About our names, but we remember them now. You're welcome. Congratulations, you have absolutely chosen the most fun episode to watch. Definitely, most interesting and just so much action. Yes, it's cleaning day. Yeah. We're gonna clean the car and we're gonna show you guys how we usually do it. So freaking pumped! Let's get to it. Okay. Okay, let's destroy the bed and wash the sheets.
Oh, that's so stupid.
Okay, but we're gonna tear the bed and wash the sheets next time we're at a camping. But today we're just gonna change them. We have 2 sets of sheets. Okay, we have a vacuum cleaner that's in here. Whoa! Somewhere. I think we have to clean this cabinet also before we can find it. Here we go! Fatser, all your foods are here. Ah, cleaning stuff. Candles. A box of random stuff. Vacuum cleaner! This is so weird. We just found a whole new space.
That we didn't know existed.
What? We can fit so much stuff here.
Tälte.
Yeah, the tent and our sleeping bags would go perfectly here.
Yeah, let's put it there.
Some camping gear.
Yeah. Yes. Kranga.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, we should vacuum under the bed also, but that means we have to take all of this out, which we haven't done since we started this journey half a year ago. So,
Yeah.
let's do it. We emptied the toilet already, but now it's time to clean, and we have a special. What is this in English?
No, wait, hold on.
Well, this is only for the toilet. Let's clean. And this floor is just amazing and super easy to clean. Voila! Done. Let's move over to the kitchen.
This is actually super handy and practical. So you can take these off. Woo. And then it's super easy to clean with this one. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay guys, it's the end of an era, but we're gonna throw you away. I think we need to get plastic ones. We don't have time for flowers.
We suck at this.
Yeah.
Gardening stuff. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, let's take care of this mess. Good job. Good job. It was more fun than cleaning an apartment at least. Yep, because it's a smaller space. And you can really see a difference. That's nice. So pro tip, leave it until it's super dirty. And then it will be very satisfying seeing the result. It feels really nice continuing the journey now when the car is clean. Super nice. And next week's episode,
Ooh, that's going to be fun.
it's about traffic safety. Super important. We already shot a little bit for the next episode, and Elin got to be upset.
Whatever, we'll give you 2 seconds teaser.
Okay, here we go. You're welcome. See you next week. Bye.